ChatGPT has definitely come a long way and has recently launched some new features, from being able to upload attachments to real-time web searches to voice interactive AI and new apps. These features are taking AI to a whole new level. And in today's video, I want to go over these features because you're probably not using them and probably not using them effectively. And I want to show you how these updates can take your real estate business to a whole new level. So if you want to learn more, keep watching. Hey everybody, it's me, Jacob Shireman, your real estate marketing expert. I have over 17 years of marketing experience specializing in web design and SEO, and I take that experience to help you grow your real estate business. So if you'd like to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I release new content. And if you want to get all my resources, training, courses, and coaching for free at no extra cost or split to you, take a look at partnering with me at eXp Realty inside the Agent Wolfpack. And there's a link down below where you can book a one-on-one call to learn more. So let's dive into today's topic. All right, so today we're talking about ChatGPT AI and how this can help your real estate business. So unless you've been under a rock, you probably know what ChatGPT is, but it really kind of amazes me in all the real estate consultations I do with marketing clients that they still are not using ChatGPT to the fullest. They're scared of AI. They think it's going to replace a real estate agent. And let me tell you, it is not going to do that. It's going to allow you to streamline your business so you can focus on the more important things. So if you've never been able to afford an assistant, ChatGPT and automations, like I talk about with Zapier, automations like can go high level, all of those things can help you automate your business and take it to the next level. ChatGPT and AI are going to enhance your business for those that are willing to learn how to use it. So I've done other videos on ChatGPT, but I wanted to go over some of these new updates because this stuff that I've been wanting since the beginning, and I'm glad we have it because if you remember back in the day, everybody was using it. It would only let you do so many searches per hour because the server was overloaded, and now they have a paid version. If you're not paying for it, I would highly recommend you spend the $20+ a month. I think it's like 22 bucks where I'm at with tax. It is the best thing that I've ever done because you're not limited on searches. You get a few more of the things that you're not going to get with the free version, and it's just better data. But if you can't afford the 22 bucks a month, that's fine. Use the free version. Just start using this and think outside the box. You can even ask ChatGPT on how can I use this for my real estate business? Tell it your business. What I'm going to do in the next video is we're going to talk about the best prompts for ChatGPT to learn your business, but I want you to understand how to use it today and all of the new features it has, because before ChatGPT only had data like when it first came out, like up to 2021, then they added 2022. Now it can do lifetime website searches and all of those things. So I want to go over how you can use these new features and how to tailor that to your business. So that way, when we do future videos, you have a good handle on these features and you can start using them today and have a virtual assistant. And this is how you're going to change your business. So I want to dive into these one by one and show you how to master these new features and take your real estate business to the next level. All right, so one of the first updates and new features is ChatGPT now has a desktop and mobile app. So no more having to worry about logging in the browser. You can actually have these apps, bookmark on your home screen or in your taskbar, and they're ready for you to go. You just link your account. You will need a paid version for the desktop app and for the mobile app as well. And then this is really great because now it gives you access to manage tasks, to create content, to get real-time data, whether you're home or your office, maybe you're on the go or between showings, you can get all of these things done with ChatGPT. All right, so now one of the other features that just came out is now users can attach files directly to ChatGPT. So you can have it reference, analyze, or create content based on what you upload. And this is really great because this is going to collapse timeframes for you. You can have ChatGPT analyze a contract or analyze a property listing and create content or give an overview or summary or create tasks based on that document as well. So I want to go over some benefits and things that you can streamline. So I'm going to read from my screen here. You can streamline property listings. You can upload detailed images, and ChatGPT can generate listing descriptions, social media posts, or flyers automatically because not only can you attach files, it can generate PDFs, it can generate graphs, it can do all kinds of things. It's not just text-based anymore. You can also upload a buyer and seller guide, so you can attach those PDF documents and it can summarize them and personalize them. Maybe you have one that you like that a friend of yours has. You can upload that and have it customize it to your business as well. So this will speed up communications, content creating, marketing material creatings as well. And you can also upload neighborhood profiles, community data sheets. You can upload lead generation forms or client intake forms. It can process and analyze based on what people are saying, what people are looking for, and generate a report on that. Or it can summarize what your client is looking for, so you don't have to read through each one of those questions. It can just give you that, here's a bulleted list of what they're looking for. You can upload market reports and analysis, legal and transaction documents. Maybe you don't understand something, it can help you explain those things. Team training and onboarding materials, testimonial and client feedback forms. So ChatGPT now, it can read text off a photo. You can upload anything to help really streamline, whether it's, again, referencing, analyzing documents, creating content, creating tasks, creating reports. You can use this to its full ability, and I've used this and it is amazing. All right, so one of the newest things too with ChatGPT is voice interaction with ChatGPT. So now it can recognize voices and you can ask a question or give it a command without having to type. You would simply click the icon that looks like a little WAV file, and then you would click that and then ask it your question. And this is great for realtors on the go, because maybe you need to brainstorm some content ideas. Maybe you need to get a quick question answered, and you can generate responses without having to type. Now, thanks to the mobile app, it's with you wherever you go. All right, so I've saved the best for last, and that is now you can get real-time data with ChatGPT. And I've been wanting this from the beginning, and I'm so glad that it's here, because before, if I wanted to give it more up-to-date data, because before it would only be up to like 2021 or 2022, so it was behind, and you had to actually go find the data that you wanted it to rewrite or, you know, turn into the content that you wanted. Now it can just search on its own. So not only will it go search the web on its own, but you can also provide URLs. So I can paste a URL to a website that I want it to crawl or a web page and get the data from, and it can return that in real time as well. So this is great because now we can get real-time data for market reports, property details, anything that you need, it is now real time. So this is going to help your communication with clients, responding to emails. There are so many things that you can do with this, and now you don't have to worry about your content being out of date. Does that mean that you shouldn't fact check it? Absolutely. If you feel like something's off, definitely research it, because remember, it's pulling from a lot of data points and then it's coming to its own conclusion. But this is a game changer now, that we can create content even faster because I'm not having to always provide it with the most up-to-date data. It's going to go get it on its own. All right, so how can these new features help you in your business? And number one, it's going to help you create efficient workflows. So with the mobile access, the desktop access, you can make multitasking a lot easier, whether it's drafting a property description or pulling information on the fly. You can now do that with ChatGPT. You can do it voice activated, you can give it links. There's so many different ways that you can do it by attaching documents now. You're going to make your life so much more efficient and be able to get more done. This is going to give you better client service as well, because now that you're giving real-time data and web searches, this is going to ensure that you as a realtor can provide up-to-date information, especially if it's responding to emails or chat messages. You can ensure that the data, probably 99% of the time, is going to be accurate as well. This is going to help you create more content and marketing materials now with, again, that you can attach data, you can give it voice commands, you can get real-time data, you can make your content creation and your marketing, whether it's social media posts or blog posts, you can get them done on the fly with the best information available. And this is going to improve productivity because it's going to allow you to save time and focus on income producing activities, because most agents spend so much time doing all these other tasks when it should be farmed out. So if you use AI efficiently, this is going to take your real estate business to the next level. All right, so I hope you found that information helpful, and you know it's my goal in every video to give you something that you can take away today to start growing and taking your real estate business to the next level. So if you have any questions about what I went over, drop those down in the comments below. If you need help with implementing ChatGPT, book a marketing consultation with us. We're a full service marketing company, we can show you how not just ChatGPT, but AI as a whole can automate your business, and we can even help you get that set up. And if you want to get all of my tools, resources, training, and coaching for free at no extra cost or split to you, take a look at partnering with me at eXp Realty. And inside the Agent Wolfpack, not only will you get all of their amazing resources, but you'll get all of my resources, training, and coaching for free. So whether you are a solo agent, a team, or broker owner, we can help you take your business to the next level. And again, if you want to keep seeing content like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video.